Hello, my name is Bulmets. I am going to talk about the stereotypes of the United States shown on the TV show South Park. And I am from the University of San Francisco de Quito, and I'm going to start. So, what is a stereotype then? A stereotype is a notion, a preconceived notion, especially to a group of people or a person itself. It has different types of stereotypes. In which we have racist, sexist, and homophobic stereotypes. We also have religious, but it could enter in the racist one. South Park main characters, we have Cartman, we have Kyle, then Kyle, then we have Stan. They are the four main characters. They are kids on the TV show South Park. So in chapter 1, we are going to talk about a really big concern in the United States, which is the bullying. In this case, it's Eric Cartman, which constantly in all the series, he is bullying his friends. Constantly Ken. So we have now the second chapter, the terrorist. This began when United States suffered the 9/11 attack. This increased the rate of racism and stereotypes by the people of the United States against the Muslim people because they think they are terrorists. Like this, so if you see a Muslim people in the United States, it's very common to be stereotyped as a terrorist. It's very common to see in South Park a lot of cases in which they summon and put terrorist attacks. But the responsibles actually are the Latinos, 42% attacks made from 1980 to 2005. Then the Islamic extremists, 24%, and we have just the Islamic extremists just has 6%. It doesn't have the amount of prejudice that the people of United States makes to these kind of people. They are not terrorists. The chapter 3, we have the Jewish. We also know the Jew has, in history, have had a really bad history because they have been suffered in all of the time since the World War II. And we have the Jew, in this case, is this one, that is Kyle. And it's constantly said that he has a lot of money, he's really greedy. That is a stereotype.